Can you run the Epson SureColor G6070 without a shaker? Yes, but only for small jobs. The EasyJet Pro 36 shaker is an essential part of a high-production DTF setup, and for good reason. But for small, one-off jobs, you do have another option. The SureColor G6070 can be paired with our EasyShake DTF desktop automatic powder shaker and EasyCure Max DTF sheet dryer, which handles film sizes up to 16 by 20 inches. It's a great addition for a short-run solution, but it's not a replacement for the shaker. Here's how you can do it. Print your small, one-off job on the SureColor G6070. Cut the film to a size no larger than 16 by 20 inches. Place the film in the EasyShake. Since the film is cut unevenly, you may need to use a piece of tape or small magnets to keep it in place. Release the powder over the film, and the EasyShake will shake the powder off for 5 seconds. Then place the film in the EasyCure dryer. The dryer is set to around 300° Fahrenheit and will dry the film in under 1 minute. Once the film is dry, it is ready to be transferred to your chosen fabric. Here we are using the Geonite clamshell heat press to transfer the film onto a t-shirt. Nothing beats the speed, consistency, and convenience of the EasyJet Pro 36 shaker, especially when you're printing at scale, but the EasyShake and EasyCure combo is a great solution for small jobs and short runs.